Hello ladies and gentlemen, Andrew Kostyukov here. To avoid rotating equipment failures, we have invented the real-time diagnostic COMPACS system that's comprised of hardware infrastructure, software platform, and physics-based artificial intelligence. The system shifts the focus from preventing failures to detecting emerging destructive forces in rotating equipment. That delivers significant benefits to our customers. Moreover, we have made it more affordable than ever. Now, you can monitor every piece of rotating equipment in your facility. To explore details, please join our live webcast.